Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I want to show you how I do my cabbage swallow. Yes guys, if you're watching your weight, if you're someone who is you're on a diet, you're trying to lose weight, this cabbage fufu is great for you. I mean, like, other than eating cassava, pounded yam, gari, cabbage swallow, because it's a vegetable, right? So it's low in carbs. So this is what I've been eating, but for some time I haven't been eating this cabbage swallow. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my cabbage swallow. First of all, you need a cabbage. This is the cabbage I'm going to be using, but I don't know if I'm going to use all of this. And I also need my psyllium husks. I need my psyllium husks with me. Put it right inside the blender, baby. So I put in water inside the blender, almost half. So I'm going to blend it. So I'm adding in more cabbage into the blended one already. I'm adding in more cabbage. And I'll blend again until the blender is full. So I finished grinding the cabbage, one blender. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to transfer it inside this cloth and squeeze all the juice out of the cabbage. So I'm just going to transfer it inside this cloth. And squeeze, look at that water. So this is the cabbage after I have squeezed it. This is what I've got. I'm just going to put that on the fire and cook it for about 3 minutes before adding the psyllium husks. And this is the water I got from it. This water is actually very good if you drink it like this, guys. It's good for weight loss. Great water, cabbage water. If you can drink this water like this, it's very good, so you don't have to throw it away. Okay, guys. So it's on the fire now. I'm trying to cook it. So I've been cooking the cabbage for about 3 minutes now. The cabbage itself is already like thick. I'm going to add in the psyllium husks now. So it will just help it to bind together. This is the psyllium husks. I'm going to add in 1 spoon of psyllium husks. Adding 1 spoon of psyllium husks. I guess it's even too much. The cabbage is not too much. It's already forming like fufu. Is binding already, very strong. Wow, this is so good. I guess it's ready now. I'm just going to transfer that. You can see it's like fufu. I'll transfer the cabbage here and just rub it nicely. So guys, this is it. The cabbage fufu has rested. So let me dig into it. See? It's not sticky and it's not soft. Very nice. It's not sweet. You don't even know you're eating cabbage. Wow, this is delicious. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that like button. Share this video, drop your comments down below this video as well. And also, I'm sorry, so delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below this video, and don't forget to on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload any video, you'll get notified and you'll keep up to date to my videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again in my next video. To have a great day. Bye.